Nongialam ka TMC Parliamentary Party Dr.Mukul Sangma ula penpau perthei ke jing Dawa jung una ka benta ka kam Nongialam jung ka Liang Pyrshah hapo ka jing Dorbar Thaw Aiñ ka Jylla Meghalaya. Kani ka sinjam ka long hadin bau nong Thaw Aiñ ka seng Kongres uba Roni V Lingdo ula ino ka kam pat ka jing kershan jung u ya ka TMC. Usyong kenor jung ka Assembly Thomas A Sangma ula penti kenai ka jing ino kam jung ba Roni V Lingdo bat ula kedeu ba ka TMC menta ka dani ka jing jung hindriu teliki siet haka Assembly da ka jing kershan jung Nongialam jung ka Kongres ka belong 10% na ka jing don baro. Thomas A Sangma ula ongro baudang bishar banyak halor ka te ka jing Dawa bat unsa pen benasyen ka TMC ka kershan ru yau MLA jung ka seng Kongres na ka benta ka kam kumuchip hibs jung ka Liang Pyrshah po ka ying Dorbar Thaw Aiñ ka Jylla.
I received a resignation letter from Roni Lingdo as leader of the opposition, and at the same time he had come with a letter of support to TMC also. So Dr.Mukul Sangma, as a leader of the TMC party, had taken claim to the post of leader of opposition. I have received a letter with the support of one lone Congress MLA and 5 TMC members in the House. So their strength has gone up to 6. Since I had already also had mentioned that we need at least 10% of the total strength of the House. So it is there exactly 10% of that, total number of 6 members. So I'm examining it, their claim for the post of leader of opposition and the opposition chief whip also. So I'm examining it. Maybe by tomorrow or day after, I will be coming out with my decision.
See, because after we've discussed, then Dr. Mukul Sangma and from my side, from the CLP, decided to come together and ensure that the post of LO is not left vacant, and being the senior most and having the most number from the opposition, because there are 5 numbers and with me it becomes 6. So we have proposed, and I hope the Speaker will agree to our proposal. That is the understanding between the 2 parties, that since we have come together, they will take the post of LO, and CL from the Congress will take the post of opposition chief.